What's good, YouTube? In this video, we're gonna be installing the amber lights for the front grille, and you're gonna see how it all went down. Now, check it out. Let me introduce you guys to my first project. Right here. Let's get this party going. Right here. We gotta, I guess, remove the front grille forward. So let's go ahead and start with that. At this point, I started quickly realizing that I didn't have the right tools to get this grill out, or the little pins. So I was getting frustrated, tried with every tool I had, and it was not working. There was no way I was gonna get these pins out. So I decided to stop and head to Harbor Freight real quick and just get the right tools I needed. Well, I didn't have the right tools, so I had to come over to Harbor Freight and see if I can find those tools real quick so we can continue installing those lights. That so far, they beating my ass for some reason. So we'll see. Here we are. Wish me luck. Well, I took it really serious. I literally went shopping in there. Jesus Christ. Let's try this again. Got a little can. Got the tool I needed. And some extras. Let's see if this thing works. Hmm. I don't know why they all seem to break there for some reason. Let's see the next one. I don't get why, honestly. They all broke at the same place. I guess I must have been doing something wrong, or I got the wrong tool. I don't know, honestly, but yeah, I might have to buy a whole box of these pins for future. Got it out. Now we're gonna see what we do.
Okay, so we're gonna do 4 for now and see how it looks. Got one right here, 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 and here. If it's too much, then we'll just do the normal 3. But we'll see. Let's put the cables on. Sure, it doesn't matter which cable I plug. Let's see. Cables.
All right, it's time to start plugging cables. Managed to get them from the grill to the engine bay. So now we're just gonna start by plugging in the ground cable, as you can see, which is the black one. And the Jeep already comes with a grounding space right there, as you can see. So we're gonna lose the actual one that's in place already and hook the ground cable to it and tighten it back up. All right, ground cable is in place. Now let's start hooking up the actual power cable, the live cable, which is the red one. I was gonna hook it first to the fuse box, but I didn't want to make a hole in the cover, so I'm just gonna use the auxiliary cables that comes with the Jeep and just turn them on and off from the inside. So here you do have to peel the cable and hook them. So that's what we're doing right now. We cut the auxiliary cable. We're using the aux 3, and now we're gonna hook them together. Once I got them hooked, I'm now gonna grab the heat gun that I just bought at Harbor Freight. I wasn't planning on buying it, but since I'm using since I'm using the auxiliary cables, then I needed it, so I said might as well just grab it. Um, so yeah, I got the cables together.
So the heat guns definitely good work. Sure. Moment of truth. Turn the car on and see if it turn on. If not, I may stop. It's all hooked, rewired, heated, grounded right there. Now let's see if these bad boys turn on. Let's turn it on. Let's see, let me get this out first. Just in case, you never know. Well, didn't explode, so that's good signs. Now let's see. Crossing my fingers. Oh, that's right. Auxiliary. That's right, that's right, that's right. Now, I don't know which one is going to be. How does this thing works? Hmm. Okay. I was starting to get worried, but I fixed it. So It was on battery for the power source, and of course I don't have them hooked to the batteries. They're to the ignition because that's how it's wired by factory. So you just have to go there and switch them out. Now is let's see if it's aux 4. I still don't know which one it is. Okay, it's aux 3 then, because they're off. So let's go here, turn aux 3 on, and voila! Finally, brothers. What do you guys think? It's about goddamn time. Jeez. Alright, let's put the cables back together and make it look pretty. We're good. Finally.
We got everything ready, all covered up, put back together. Front grill cables, I try to manage and hide all of them so they're not seen from the front. And we're good to go. I waited for this for a minute, but we got it all together.
With that, I think it's safe to say I'm not a mechanic, and I'm also not an electrician. But we made it. Jeez.
Thank you all if y'all stayed till the end. I really appreciate that. I would love if you support and hit a like, comment. Let me know if you like it or if you prefer the 3 lights instead of the 4. But thank y'all. Thank you very much.